Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you something kind of crazy here. In my testing computer number 1 here, I put in a hard drive that was in my emachine. Now, what's interesting about this is I installed Windows XP on it. Just give me a second here. Let me find out what's going on. There we go. Good thing that was turned off, otherwise I would have had an issue. I'm having some technical difficulty. Okay, so I had a little bit of an issue here. I reworked this and I had it on the wrong setting. So I'm having trouble with my CMOS battery, but that's okay. So under normal circumstances, when you take a hard drive from another computer and you install it, you notice how it didn't reboot. This installation is from when this hard drive was in my emachine. Under a normal circumstance, this would keep restarting. And it did. But it also concludes one more thing. MSI made the boards for emachine. So I'm not going to activate it right now. And it's working. So if I go into my computer, my DVD-ROM's there. And yes, this is a DVD-ROM. I had to replace it, so that is a DVD-ROM in there. And everything's working. Now, probably states before an earliest video, when you load Windows onto something, you get something called a motherboard profile. What Windows is doing is Windows is comparing the serial number to your motherboard. And if it can't find it, it reboots it, then you have to redo the installation. This is the first time for me ever seeing a computer loading Windows, going into Windows that was installed on a different machine on a hard drive. First time ever for me. Now, normally the Linux doesn't have that issue, so if this was a Linux machine, it wouldn't be a big deal. But this is a big deal because it's Windows. So we'll go find. Let's go to accessories. Let's go to Paint. The only thing that's jacked up is the activation. That's it. It's all working. I even have sound. And this is actually really cool. But let's check Device Manager and see what I got. Everything is all here. This is all done from the emachine. This is amazing. I've never seen anything like this before. And look at that. It still has the arcade name. So everything is all here. It's using the same drivers, same everything. So anyway, that's it for this video. Please comment, like, and subscribe.